Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can track button clicks from our website on Google Analytics 4. So in this video we will be using Google Tag Manager in order to add the triggers and then check it all the data on our Google Analytics. So first of all, go to your Google Tag Manager, and also if you want to see how you can connect your Google Tag Manager to your Google Analytics, for that I will be providing a link in the description. You will be able to learn about it in detail. So in this video we will just see how we can create triggers and then check that data on Analytics, Google Analytics. So first of all, we need to click on variables on Tag Manager. After that, click on configure, and over here just scroll down, and in the click section just tick this boxes. So these boxes will be able to track our clicks, and we will be able to monitor the clicks on our website button. Like suppose you have a button which is called brochure, download brochure, or sign up to your newsletter, or clicks on your products. You can track any kind of clicks on your website. So just make sure that you have ticked all these boxes, and if you want to track the forms or their elements, then you can also tick these ones also. Let's close this one for now. And after that, just go to triggers, and here we will create a new trigger. You can name this trigger as button click Google Analytics 4, and then click on trigger configuration. Over here just select this option called all elements under clicks. Now we need to track the sum clicks. We don't need to check all the clicks, so we will select sum clicks over here, and after that we will select over here as click text and then contains over here. And now we will type the letter which is written on the button of our website. Like if it is for download brochure, then simply write the download brochure over here, and if it is for newsletter, then type newsletter. So anyone who will click on this particular button which is of newsletter, you will be getting the data for. Then click on save. After that we need to create tags. So we will go to tag section, and over here we will select new. Now provide the name of this particular tag. And click on configuration. After that, make sure that you select the option of GA4 events, and in the configuration tag select GA4, then type the event name. I'm just typing out all these names randomly, but in order to track these names properly, make sure that you provide a user-friendly or friendly names which you can recognize later on. And here we will provide the parameter name as click text. And in the value we will just select click text over here, and after that we will just click on trigger. Now we will select the button click GA4 that we just created, and after that just click on save. Now we will click on preview in order to check whether we are doing it all correctly or not. Just type the URL of your website, click on connect, and after that everything will be connected, and you would be able to track the button clicks on your website. And this is how you do it. But how do we check it all on Google Analytics? So for that, just go to Google Analytics, and after that we will just click on admin on the bottom. And in the property section we will just scroll down, and here you will find this option of debug view. Just click over here, and every single click that you will see on that particular button of yours on the website which contains newsletter or brochure or any other name that you have just selected will appear over here, and you would be able to track all the data. And this is how you track button clicks on Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.